question for you. Do you know Jane? No, not Jane down the street, Jane.com. My name is Heather Roberts, and I am the co-founder of RSG Sales, and we help home decor and furniture suppliers grow their e-commerce sales channel. So there's a little known secret out there. Jane.com is one of the newest kind of up and coming marketplaces. We like to say that it's like the grown-up version, the big sister of Etsy. It is a marketplace. It has more than just home. You have every category under the sun, from accessories like jewelry and so forth, to clothing, to baby goods, home, in every category of home you can possibly think of. And it is a straight marketplace. So for instance, they call it their referral fee. I call it commission. It's kind of high. That's the one thing that is, that is a little bit of a potential. But the referral fee or commission is 27%. So again, on the high end. But if you're selling in a marketplace, you're selling at retail. Also, because it is a marketplace, you have to pay the freight. So if you are in home, I highly recommend not putting big, heavy goods on this site. Here is something that I hope they do change. Right now, Jane.com does not allow you to do bulk uploads. So you have to upload your items one at a time. And we had our team, they were uploading product for a client recently, and we actually had them kind of clock how long it takes. So they were doing 10 items. They did have multiple variants and so forth, but those 10 items took them about 90 minutes. Now, yes, they had to get some things organized to get through that process, but just understand, this maybe isn't the site where you're going to put 1,000 items. You're going to take your top sellers, and this is where you're going to start. I hope you found this helpful, and if you don't know Jane, you should probably get to know her. If you have any other questions, just click the link below, and you can schedule a quick call, and I'll be able to help you out. Thanks.